Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So to implement traceability in the manufacturing process, map out the entire production process, identifying all the critical points where data needs to be collected and tracked. This includes the sourcing of raw materials, various stages of production, and the final distribution of products to customers. Next, go about selecting the appropriate technology. So while traceability can be implemented with paper and spreadsheets, this approach does come with limitations and challenges compared to digital tools. Manual systems can be prone to human error, they can be time-consuming data entry, and they can be difficult maintaining consistent and accurate records. Whereas digital tools and software can simplify the traceability process by automating the data collection, management, and the analysis of that data. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.